Want to enjoy a richer messaging experience from your computer? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use RCS Chat in Google Messages for web. We'll cover how to enable RCS, connect your phone, and use features like read receipts, typing indicators, high-quality media sharing, and more. Before using RCS Chat on the web, make sure it's enabled on your Android phone. Open Google Messages, go to Settings, then RCS Chats, and confirm that RCS is active. Your mobile carrier or internet connection must also support RCS messaging. Next, open Google Messages for web in your browser. If you haven't linked your phone yet, use device pairing in the Google Messages app to scan the QR code displayed on your computer. Open a conversation with someone who also has RCS Chat enabled. If both devices support RCS, your messages will be sent as chat messages instead of traditional SMS whenever an internet connection is available. Now you can enjoy features that aren't available with regular SMS. Send high-quality photos and videos, share larger files, react with emojis, see typing indicators, and know when your messages have been delivered or read. If either person doesn't have RCS available or loses their internet connection, Google Messages may automatically send the message as a regular SMS or MMS instead. So this helps your message reach the recipient whenever possible. If RCS features aren't working, check that RCS Chat is still enabled on your phone, confirm your internet connection is active. And make sure both your phone and browser remain connected through Google Messages for web. And that's how to use RCS Chat in Google Messages for web. Once everything is set up, you can enjoy a faster, smarter messaging experience directly from your computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy technology guides, and I'll see you in the next one.